everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be making easy to cook meals by Quickish. Let me show you. They are no prep, just cook. They have no artificial coloring, they are hygienically prepared, no added preservatives and no artificial flavoring. They also have their own app that you can download from the App Store as well as the Google Play Store, and they are also available on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. So guys, this box has 3 different types of dishes. One is the Rajma Chawal, the Rajma Masala. One is the Railway Mutton Curry, and the third one is the Korean Wings. So it's almost dinner time now, so I will be making the Korean Wings and the Railway Mutton Curry for dinner, and tomorrow's lunch will be the Rajma. So guys, let me tell you some facts about Quickish which will help you understand a little more. So Quickish is a Hyderabad based startup and they are present in Hyderabad, Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Kolkata and Goa. The dishes are freshly prepared without adding any artificial flavors and they have a shelf life of 3 days. Also, they are the only brand that prepare vegetarian dishes in this manner. You can also get a 15% discount on a coupon code that I will be showing here or in the description below. So do check it out. So alright, let's go and make the Korean wings and the Railway Mutton Curry. I'm very excited and hungry. Let's go.
So guys, this is what's there in the box. This is the Rajma Masala and here I have the Korean wings. They are very well packed and sent. And here I have the Railway Mutton Curry. Also guys, they have added an ice pack kind of thing at the bottom of the box so that the food doesn't get spoiled. Alright, let's start with the Korean wings. The instructions say that I have to arrange the wings on a baking tray and preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 240 degrees Celsius, but I'm going to set it at 200 degrees. So while that's happening, let's grease our baking tray and add the wings on it. So one packet has about 350 grams and it has about 10 wings in it, so that's a good quantity. So you can also cook them on a pan or kadhai, but I'm going to prefer my oven. As you can see, there are a lot of sesame seeds. It also has Korean chili paste, sesame oil, sugar, spices and other condiments. Alright, so let's just separate the wings from one another and let's put them in the oven. So let's bake it for 10 minutes at 200 degrees and then we turn it and bake it for another 10 minutes. Alright, while the wings are baking, let's move on to the Railway Mutton Curry. The instructions say that I have to empty the pouch in a pressure cooker and then saute it on medium flame for about 5 minutes. So the gravy has potatoes, onion, vegetable oil, water, tomatoes, coconut milk, mustard oil, papaya paste and other condiments. So let's saute the mutton for about 5 minutes. Wow, just look at the oil oozing out. So now I'm adding 200 ml water to it and then I have to close the lid and allow it to cook for 15 minutes under pressure on medium flame. Okay, back to the wings. The first 10 minutes are up. Now we take them out, turn them and then put them in the oven back again for 10 minutes. Wow, they do look good. So now we're going to carefully turn them one by one and then put them back in the oven for 10 minutes. And in the oven they go. Let's set the timer for 10 minutes at 200 degrees and let it bake. Alright, let's check if they are done. Yes, they are. Let's put them out on the plate.
That perfect Korean flavor. It has got that tang, that spice, that sweetness. Yummy. The chicken is also really very good. I will put all their details in the description below. Please do check it out and do order. Wow, one more bite. Yummy.
Alright, our mutton is ready. Let's take it out on the plate. Also guys, you can add salt if needed.
So guys, here I have the railway mutton curry. It's finally ready, and it doesn't look like curry because I prefer my mutton to be a little dry, but you can make it into a curry. So let's try it out. It's really good. Let's try a piece. Oh, just came off. The mutton is really very good, well cooked. I really liked it. I don't know if you can see, but just look at it. Heavenly. Also, there are some potatoes in this. Okay guys, I'm done with the mutton and the Korean wings. The Rajma Chawal I'm going to be eating tomorrow afternoon for lunch. So I'm going to see you guys directly at that time. Hi guys, so it's the next day today and it's time for me to make the third dish, that's the Rajma.
So here I have the Rajma masala pouch. The instructions say that I have to empty the contents in a kadhai and cook it for about 5 minutes. Then I have to add 200 ml of water, cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Let's add 200 ml water. Now let's mix it up for a while and then cover it with a lid so that it can cook on medium flame. Let's cover it with a lid. So guys, it's almost ready. I just need to add a little bit of salt to enhance the taste and we are done. Alright, let's serve the Rajma. So the packet has Rajma, that is kidney beans, onion, tomato, ginger garlic paste and other spices and condiments.
So guys, my Rajma Chawal is finally ready. This chawal is made by my mom and Rajma is from Quickish. So yes, let's try it out. First I'm going to just try the Rajma on its own and then with the rice. Flavorful, tasty, spicy, zingy, all flavors. Let's try it with the rice now. I'm a huge fan of Rajma Chawal and this is amazing. I'm going to put all the details of Quickish in the description below or over here so that you guys can check them out, order for yourself. And it's so easy and quick to make. Usually we have to soak the Rajma in water for overnight and all of that. But this cooks in 15 minutes, not even 15 minutes, like 10-12 minutes and you're ready and you're sorted for lunch, dinner, whatever. So guys, that's all I have for you in my today's video. These are the dishes I tried from Quickish. They're super easy to make. That's why it's called Quickish, I guess. It's hassle-free and easy to make. I love Rajma and it got ready in just like 10 minutes. So that's amazing. And also guys, I will put all their details, contact information, Instagram IDs, everything here or in the description below. Make sure you guys check it out. And yes, please subscribe to my channel while you're watching this video. It will be a huge help for me. And yes, come back tomorrow for a new fresh vlog.